guys, this is Alyona from BusinkaMania, and today we are sewing Halter Bralette bra. Fold your fabric in half like you see me doing here and make sure that your scallops are matching each other. Then download the pattern, you can find link in the description below, and place this on top of your fabric on the scallops edge. Yeah, you see scallops here, I'm gonna place this exactly in this place. Now I will need to outline everything around and then cut it with my scissor. Small notice for the sizing. If you don't have a big boobs like my Dolores in the back, then I'll advise you to take one size smaller than you need, because in the back you have adjustable straps and you always can match this bra for your body. I have two cups elements and two elements of the back. I'm gonna work with my cups. So this is my cups. Now I need to fold this place this way and attach this place with the needle. This is our darts, and the same on another cup. Yeah, exactly this way. Now I'll open my cups this way and I will take the back elements. And I'm gonna place them on the side. Exactly like this, face to face. Fabric supposed to be face to face to each other. And now I'll go to my sewing machine or overlocker. First I'm gonna attach this place so I don't lose elements. And now I'm gonna go and sew this place. You see here. And I'm gonna sew my darts as well here. We will need to do it with the both elements. To help myself to see where my dart is finishing, I'm gonna put a small mark exactly on the place few millimeters above where it's finished. And I'm gonna sew exactly up to this place. If you don't put the mark, you probably won't see where you need to finish your sewing. By the way, here I'm using a roll hem on my overlock. Settings you can see on the screen. It should look this way. I love this roll hem because it makes everything almost invisible, all your seams. Now we need to do the same on the side. My both cups are ready, and now I need to attach the elastic. I'm gonna use this elastic. So on the face side of the fabric, I'll need to place my elastic also with the face side. So basically it's face to face. So this way, and I need to sew here. The same on the opposite side, on the opposite cup. Then I need to fold the elastic and sew one more time again. I'm gonna show you more closer. When we come to the end, we don't cut our elastic here, so we don't. We keep a little bit of the free space of the elastic. This is for our rings to attach the straps in the back. So you see, and here I'm gonna show you one more time more closer. So on the right side of the fabric, we place the elastic. Here is our right side and here is our wrong side. So basically right side to the right side, face to face, we place the elastic on top of the fabric and we start to sew. Settings you can see on the screen. You don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit only the elastic. So now I need to fold my elastic and sew one more time again here. Settings you again can see on the screen for the sewing machine. When you finish your sewing, as I told you before, keep a little bit of the free space of the elastic. Both of my cups are ready, and you see I kept a little bit elastic on the both sides. Now I'm gonna grab fold over elastic, it's 1.5 centimeter, and I'm gonna fold it this way and attach in the bottom of my bra and on top here. In the beginning and in the end, on top and in the bottom, I'm gonna have a free space of the elastic. Again, you see, I'm not gonna attach it from the beginning this way. So I'm gonna attach it a little bit, you see, more. I'm gonna have free space of the elastic because I'll need to attach my lockers and in the end for the rings for the strap. The same in the bottom, on the both elements. It's very easy to attach this elastic. All you need is just fold this in half, place this under the foot of your sewing machine and start to sew. Settings you can see on the screen. So you keep sewing for 2-3 centimeters, I'll say. You see, 2-3 centimeters, and then you grab the element or cup of your bra and place this inside of the elastic. Then you close it like kind of book and you keep sewing. The same, when you sew, you don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit only the elastic. And you keep sewing from the beginning to the end, all elements. And again, here you see, I'm gonna keep sewing a little bit more longer because I need free space of the elastic to attach the rings for the strap. That's what I have. You should have exactly the same. Now I need to do the same on top, on both my elements. That's what I have, and now I'm gonna grab my adjustable straps. How to make these straps you can find on our tutorial number 7. So you will need to have 2 straps for our back and 1 strap for our neck. I advise to measure yourself before. So we will need to have 2 locks, one here and one here. So I'm gonna put it right here, and my adjustable straps already ready with the rings and everything. So I'm gonna take the straps for my back and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna attach it. So I just put the elastic inside of the ring and I will attach everything with the needle. So I'm gonna put here and I'll do the same with another strap. So now I'm gonna turn this way and do exactly the same on opposite side. Now we need to take our strap for the neck and attach it here on both sides. Take these small locks and put one here and one in the bottom. So attach everything with the needle and sew on the sewing machine. When you come to the end of the elastic, just press reverse button and sew it back. It should look this way. Sew this way everywhere where you have your needles. My bralette is almost ready, so yours should look the same, and all I just need now is to do small cleanup. You see this elastic here? Just grab your scissor, cut this out, after grab your lighter and burn this place. Just a little bit so it doesn't irritate your skin. Do it everywhere, on all these places. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, just leave your comment down below and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Bye!